Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will reveal how you can get a free $100 on Amazon with a special promo code that works even if you are an existing user. I will show you my Amazon app and you can see that I have already redeemed the code and I have $100 in my account. You can use this money for any purchase you want and get some amazing products for free. So don't miss this opportunity and watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is open your browser. It doesn't matter which one you use. Then go to this website called lucidcoupons.com. This website has tons of amazing coupons for different apps and websites, and they are all legit and working. But today we are only interested in the Amazon coupon, so just find it on this website and click on See More. Here, you will see the coupon details. You can see that there are some awesome coupons available, such as 50% off, 25% off, 10% off, and the one we are looking for, $100 credit balance. Just tap on the coupon button, but you will see that the code is locked. Don't worry guys, we can unlock this code in a few simple steps. This is because of the high demand for this coupon, but you can rest assured that the code is easy to get. Just hit the Unlock Code button and follow the instructions. The unlocking process is very easy and fast. It will take you less than 15 minutes depending on where you are from. When I click on one of the offers here, it takes me straight to the App Store, so everything is safe and secure. I don't want to make this video too long, so I will pause it here and come back to you when I'm done with the unlocking process. Alright guys, I'm back. After you finish the unlocking process, just go back to the Lucid Coupons website and refresh the page. Then click on Show Coupon again and you will see that the code is unlocked now. Look at that, it worked like a charm for me. Now all you have to do is copy the code and paste it into the app. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please smash that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing coupons like this one. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might want to get free stuff on Amazon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.